Hello dosto, welcome to the Technical by Karthik YouTube channel and today I will let you know how to download the OpenShot video editing software. So what you have to do, first you have to open any browser. So I like to work in Opera, so I will open that Opera. After that what you have to do, you have to just write OpenShot video editor. So the first link will come from the www.openshot.org. So what you had to do, you had to click here and then it will redirect to the OpenShot video editor browsing. So mostly they are providing the software as a software for open source software and they are not charging any money. They are only relying on the ad, and if you want to allow ad open short video editor, that will be up to you, but in my case I am just canceling it. And after that what you have to do, that you have to just click on the download button. So what you want to do, that I just want to download this, so I will click there. And after that what I want, I just want the Windows 64-bit installer. So what I will do, I will click on the download button, then this software. So the software is ask you to save into the local directory. So what I will do, I will save into the download folder only. So I will just click on the save button, so it will save to the my local drive. So now the software is started download. So once it will download, then I will let you know how to install this software. So it is it will not take much time to download. So it is downloading now, and if you see that what they are doing,